Picture this, darling. You're 65, sipping coffee, and a stranger's gaze locks with yours. Boom! Your heart races, cheeks flush, and you feel alive. Think that fire fades after 15? Oh, honey, the grandmas are spilling forbidden tea, and it's hotter than a summer fling. Welcome to Elder's Lantern, where we light up life's juiciest secrets for the wise and wickedly vibrant. I'm your guide to unlocking that magnetic, can't look away charm you know you still got. Today, we're diving into 7 forbidden flirtation tricks elders wish they knew at 50. Sassy, subtle moves that make hearts skip, knees weak, and sparks fly, no matter your age. These aren't your grandma's knitting tips. These are her wild, whispered secrets from nights that never ended. From smoldering eye games to witty words that tease, we've got the playbook to make you irresistible. Ready to feel like a goddess who owns every room? Stick with us because trick number 1 is about to set your soul on fire. Who's ready to flirt like they're 25 with the wisdom of 75? Let's ignite. All right, you radiant rebels, that heart-pounding intro promised sparks. And trick number 1, the smoldering eye lock, delivers. Grandma Rose, 78, swears this turned a bingo hall into her personal love den. Picture her, silver hair glowing, locking eyes with a charmer over a winning card. Her secret? Eyes that scream desire without a word. Step 1, spot your target, café, bookstore, anywhere, and catch their gaze like you're stealing their soul. Step 2, hold it for 4 seconds, not 3, letting a slow, wicked smirk curl your lips. Step 3, flick your eyes to their mouth, then back up and look away like you're hiding a delicious candle. Why is it wildfire? Studies show prolonged eye contact spikes dopamine, making their brain scream, I need more. Rose locked eyes with her man, smirked and let her cooed. Thought I'll let you win that round. He was toast, trailing her all night. Try it at the grocery store. Pick a cutie, smolder, and watch their cheeks flush. Bonus challenge, practice on a friend first. Can you make them blush? Still skeptical? Rose says she snagged a date at 75 with this move at a diner. It's your turn to burn up the broom. Trick number 2's got words that'll make them back for your next glance. Trick number 2, the teasing whisper. Oh, you saucy minxes. That smoldering eye lock from trick number 1 set hearts racing. But trick number 2, the teasing whisper, makes them beg for more. Grandma Leela swears this turned a 1998 dance into a love saga. Picture her, velvet dress swaying, leaning into a sailor's ear under a disco ball. Step 1, after that eye lock, get close. Close enough they're false skips. Step 2, drop your voice to a husky purr like you're spilling forbidden gossip. Step 3, deliver a playful singer like you're full. I might steal your heart and your last dance. Keep it light, flirty, with a dash of mischief. Why is it dynamite? Whispers hit the brand's reward center, sparking ASMR-like tingles. Science says it's pure addiction. Leela whispered, you move like trouble. Good thing I'm trouble's queen. And he was hers by the final song. Try it at a party. Pick your spark, whisper a cheek line, and watch their eyes light up. Bonus challenge. Test a flirty whisper on a pal. Can you make him giggle? Leela folds it off at 80 in a cafe, leaving a barista flustered. Ready to talk the talk? Trick number 3's touch will crank the heat higher. Trick number 3, the electric touch. Whew, darling, that teasing whisper from trick number 2 left them hanging on your every word. But trick number 3, the electric touch, will send shots straight to their core. Grandma Vera, 75, swears this flipped a book club chat into a whirlwind romance. Imagine her, pearls gleaming, in a cozy library nook, her hand grazing a fellow reader's sleeve mid-laugh. Step 1, keep it feather light, a quick brush on the arm or back of the hand, timed with a shared joke. Step 2, linger for just a beat, then pull away with a playful arch of your brow. Step 3, follow with the soft, oops, Did I just electrify you to amp the flirt? Why is it up under boats? Touch floods the body with oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, forging bonds in seconds. Psych research from the Harvard backs it. Vera grazed her crush's hand over a steamy novel, quipped, "This plot's got nothing on us," and boom, he was booking her for coffee dates. Try that at social hour. Spots a vibe, touch with tease, and feel the currents flow. Bonus challenge. Experiment with a scarf fleck or elbow nudge on a stranger. Did it spark a smile? Viva nailed it again at 72 during a gardening party, leaving a neighbor starry-eyed. Craving more voltage? Trick 4 cents will wrap them in your web. Trick number 4. The addictive scent trail. You irresistible rogues. That electric touch from trick number 3 zapped their senses. But trick number 4, the addictive scent trail, will have them trailing you like lovesick puppies. Grandma Dolores, 80, swears her custom rose vanilla blend turned a stuffy gala into a personal conquest. Envision her. Diamond earrings sparkling under chandeliers, dabbing scent before weaving through the room like a phantom temptress. Step 1. Choose a signature fragrance. Deep, warm notes like amber, jasmine, or sandalwood that evoke mystery and warmth. Step 2. Apply strategically to pulse points, neck, wrist, even a dab behind the knees for that lingering trail. Step 3. As you pass by, lean slightly closer, letting your scent waft like an invitation, and pair it with a coy glance back. Why is it pure sorcery? Olfactory science ties smell directly to the limbic system, triggering emotional memories and desire. Studies from the Monell Center show scents can boost attraction by 30%. Dolores sprints Jasmine, glided past her target and murmured, "Catch me if you consented." He followed her all evening, mesmerized. Try this at a dinner soiree. Select your prey, leave a scented wake, and observe heads turning with intrigue. Bonus challenge, mix your own blend at home. Does vanilla with spice make your mirror reflection blush? Dolores did it again at 78 during a beach walk, ensnaring a jogger who accidentally looped back. Inhale the empowerment. Trick number 5, strut, will make your presence unforgettable. Trick number 5, the sultry strut. You dazzling trailblazers, that addictive scent trail from trick number 4 left them sniffing for more. But trick number 5, the sultry strut, turns every step into a magnetic performance. Grandma Esther, 79, swears her confident walk transformed a routine farmer's market into a flirtation hotspot. Picture her, sun hat tilted jauntily, basket swinging, gliding past vendors with a rhythm that screamed unstoppable queen. Step 1, posture first, shoulders back, chin lifted high, as if you're owning an invisible runway. Step 2, infuse a subtle hip sway, slow and deliberate, like you're dancing to a private melody, keeping it natural, not exaggerated. Step 3, pause mid-strut, glance over your shoulder with a teasing smile, inviting them to follow your lead. Why is it hypnotic? Body language experts say activated movement activates mirror neurons and observers, making them mimic your vibe and feel drawn in. Research from UCLA shows it can spike perceived attractiveness by up to 50%. Esther strutted by her fruit stand, hips hinting at mischief, and quipped to the vendor, "Got any peaches as juicy as this day?" He handed her free samples and his phone number on the spot. Try it at a park or café, challenge your inner diva, strut with purpose, and watch admirers orbit you. Bonus challenge, practice in front of a mirror with your favorite tune. Does that sway make even you swoon? Esther rocked it again at 76 during a neighborhood stroll, starting a passerby into a coffee invite. Striding with confidence, yet Trick number 6's laugh will add the perfect soundtrack. Trick number 6, the irresistible laugh. Listen up, you magnetic mischief makers. That sultry strut from trick number 5 commanded the room. But trick number 6, the irresistible laugh turns joy into your ultimate flirt weapon. Grandma Fiona, 84, swears her belly laugh transformed a mundane bridge club into a romance revival. Imagine her, floral dress fluttering in the breeze, cards in hand, erupting into laughter that echoed like a siren's call across the table. Step 2. Time it perfectly during a shared moment, like after a witty remark to amplify the connection. Step 3. Layer it with a sparkle in your eye or a gentle arm nudge, turning the laugh into an intimate invitation that says, "Join my world of fun." Why is it a game changer? Laughter triggers a cascade of endorphins and dopamine in both parties, fostering instant rapport. Neuroscience from Yale shows shared laughs can increase likability by 40%, making you unforgettable. Fiona let out a laugh at her witterous corny pun, touched his shoulder, and teased, "You're dangerously hilarious. Care to make me laugh all night?" He was captivated, shuffling his schedule for weekly dates. Try it at a gathering or coffee meet. Unleash that roar, pull them into your joy, and watch walls tumble. Bonus challenge, record your laugh on your phone. Does it light up your own mood? Fiona struck gold again at 81 during the family barbecue, charming a guest into a sunset walk. Got the giggles bubbling? Trick number 7's mystery will leave them dust spray for an encore. Oh, you unstoppable firecrackers, we've unleashed a wildfire with these 7 forbidden tricks. Let's relive the magic. Trick number 1's smoldering eye lock melted hearts with a single gaze, setting the stage for trick number 2's teasing whisper to weave intimacy with words. Trick number 3's electric touch sent shocks through their souls, while trick number 4's addictive scent trail left him chasing your essence. Trick number 5's sultry strut owned every room. Trick number 6's irresistible laugh sparked joy-fueled bonds. And trick number 7's mystery pull had some begging for your encore. These aren't just flirt moves. They're your rebellion against fading into the background post-50. You're a timeless goddess, wielding wisdom and allure like a wand. Go out there, work these tricks, and make sprites fly at every market, bar, or reunion. Feel that power pulsing? Elders Hunter is your beacon for more unhinged secrets. Hit that subscribe, smash the like, and share this with your boldest friends. Now, spill the tea below. Question 1. Which trick are you dropping first to set hearts ablaze? Question 2. What's your wildest flirt win or epic flop after 50? Question 3. Who in your crew needs these sassy secrets? Tag them. Question 4. What's one place you'll test these moves this week? Keep shining, you radiant rebels, and we'll see you soon with more ways to light up the world.